any kind of printable, I have you covered. So in my shop, I am using Corjl to be able to edit different fonts and text. So in the bottom here, if you can move your text around. I'm going to keep it on the bottom because that's where I like it. You can take this text, you go up here where all the text is in the box, and you can change your text to read from whoever you want it to be, or your friend, or the admin team, or whatever you want it to actually say. Then, if you want to change the color, you just go over here to the color, and you can change it to whatever colors you want. The colors from the tag are there, and you can change them there too if you like, or you can use the color strip here and change it there. Or if there is also a color on the document, you can go on over here and say, oh, I really like this color. I'm going to change it to that dark brown. So you can play around with that as well. You can also play around with changing the color of these to different colors, or moving it around a little bit, or kind of choosing how you wanna do things. So you can't change the background on this one, and you can't change the font type, but you can play around with the colors, you can play around with the placement, and that's how you can try out your tag and make it exactly the way you want it before you purchase it. So if you get it edited and you love it, you just go up to the Buy Now tag, and it will say, would you like to save and apply them to your order? You say save it. You register with Corjl, and because then they know where to send your document, and it will take you right to the purchasing point so that you can purchase it right away. Now, if you don't want to, we're going to try to get out of here. If you don't want to edit it, if you don't want any kind of words on it on the bottom from whoever, you can go ahead and you can just, I don't know if it'll let me out of there. You can go ahead and just not have any words on there at all.